Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado, are among the most mysterious and fascinating gemstones in the world. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, Carbonado has a dark, sometimes matte appearance, making it difficult for many people to distinguish between real black diamonds and fake stones. Because of this challenge, many diamond enthusiasts try simple home methods to understand whether the stone they have is genuine. In this article, we break down how to test black diamonds Carbonado at home, using safe and practical techniques. These methods do not replace professional testing, but they can give you strong clues about the authenticity of your stone. 1. Understanding Carbonado, black diamonds. Carbonado is not like regular diamonds. It has a porous surface, a deep black color, and a tough structure that often contains small cracks and imperfections. Real Carbonado is extremely hard, one of the hardest materials on Earth, making scratch tests a useful indicator. A real Carbonado will not shine like polished gemstones. Instead, it has a metallic to slightly matte luster, sometimes appearing rough or grainy. Fake stones, especially black cubic zirconia or treated glass, usually look too shiny, smooth, and flawless. Number 2, the scratch test, shown in the thumbnail. The thumbnail shows a hand scratching a black diamond with a metal point. This is a simplified version of a hardness test based on the Mohs scale. How the scratch test works. Diamonds are rated 10 on the Mohs scale. Only another diamond, or materials with similar hardness, can scratch them. Real Carbonado will not scratch easily when rubbed with a metal object such as a steel nail, a metal pick, a drill bit tip. What to look for? Real Carbonado. The metal cannot leave a permanent scratch. The stone may leave a mark on the metal instead. The surface remains mostly intact. Fake black diamond. The stone scratches easily. The surface shows lines, marks, or chipped areas, often feels softer or smoother. This is exactly what the thumbnail indicates with the green and red symbols. Number 3. Real versus fake appearance. Black diamonds are not glossy like synthetic stones. Here are clear differences. Real Carbonado characteristics: matte or slightly metallic shine, irregular shape, natural pits or grainy texture, very hard surface, heavy compared to its size. Common fake stones: glass, too shiny, light, scratches easily. Black cubic zirconia, perfect cut, too smooth. Treated or dyed stones, surface dye may rub off. The thumbnail's comparison helps viewers visually understand these differences. Now 4. Conducting safe home tests. In addition to the scratch test, here are other simple methods. Light test. Real Carbonado does not allow light to pass. Fake stones sometimes have patches of translucency. Water test. Real Carbonado is dense and sinks immediately. Light fake stones may float or sink slowly. Heat resistance. Real black diamonds withstand heat. Glass or synthetics may crack or break. Now 5. Why Carbonado is special. Carbonado is believed by some scientists to come from ancient meteor impacts or even from outside Earth's atmosphere. Its unique structure, toughness, and rarity make it highly valuable and desirable for collectors. Conclusion. Testing black diamonds at home is possible using simple steps like the scratch test, appearance check, and density test. Although these methods help you get an idea, the best way to confirm authenticity is always through a certified gemological laboratory.